Okay, quick video for you guys here. The Echo Timberwolf. It's on probably 14th or 15th tank of fuel. Excellent saw. For your money, for someone that's doing this on a weekend or someone that's semi full-time and you got to get into a good size saw, this thing's a little animal. 15 tanks here and the thing's flawless. Okay, now I got obviously the ProMac 1010. We're gonna run this too. We ran the two saws, the Echo and the ProMac, at my buddy Billy's house, taking down a massive pine tree. That went good. I had no filming of it because it was very sketchy position. Now this guy, I might have showed you this in the past. You guys might recognize it. Obviously she's not holding oil good because it's draining all out. But the story behind this saw, my father-in-law was in Italy, okay? To his property in Italy, God bless his soul. And somebody on the mountain over there in Italy comes up to him and says he wants to buy, sell the saw. So he buys the saw. I don't know how he got it back. I think he shipped it back to America. While he was there, he packaged it and shipped it back here. And then here's this saw that shows up. So it looks like a knockoff of a steel. Well, I think I just hit that piece of concrete right there. Oh, well, isn't that a bummer? Look at that, I smoked it. It's okay, I'll take it back. Let's see some more. Oh yeah, tore it up. Victor. Okay, next runner-up, ProMac 1010. We're gonna keep this one out of the stones because she's running good right now. I spent a lot of time sharpening the blade. That Timberwolf there, the Echo, that one was already kind of on the fritz, on its way out to get some nice handwork done. But this one will do a cold start on her, see how she goes. Yep, I'm out of oil, I think. Wow, tell me, does that thing need a bigger bar, for one? And two, that's locust, man. It's hard stuff. You can watch stuff on YouTube that's like softwood, you know? It's peanuts compared to this. Fence posts and stuff with. All right, let's see what the old foreign girl can do here. Now, I don't remember the last time this thing ran, but it had to be over 6 years ago, 8 years ago. That's a guess. I don't know. Who knows? Let's give it a rip. Gotta do it on the ground. No way. I mean, she's got some compression here. I'll go over it. Check the air cleaner, look brand new. Pulled this off, brake cleaned it, took my little, right down the bar, usually just jam something on there, got the oil thing clean, got it all clean. Flipped the bar, made sure it was clean. Let's hope the oil works now, because it's spilling out everywhere. All right, let's give this thing a little try. Ready? Fire right up. Could be something. I don't know. It's the first time running it. Like I says, it's been sitting. Maybe this is why it's been sitting. All right, I figured it out. The chain brake. The chain brake, you got to keep an eye on it. Well, right now I can tell that the carburetor definitely needs to be richened up or leaned up. She's bogging, but obviously it's been sitting for so long. You got to run it, get some good fuel in it first. So I'm gonna run it. It's starting right up though. I can't believe it. Here with the foreign girl. That's what I'm gonna name this one, the foreign girl, because we don't know what she is. She could be a little Chinese, she could be Japan, Korean, we don't know, or it could be Italian. We don't know what it is. You guys are gonna have to tell me what it is.